Which of the following is the ramification preferred as the witness to an age of impact in the surface of moon? The first line and the last line of the passage combinedly give the answers to the question with respect to the passage. The lunar surface offers eloquent testimony of a previous age of the destruction of worlds now billions of years gone. That is a vivid assertion of a previous age of destruction of worlds now billions of years gone, and like the moon, all terrestrial planets bear witness or aftermath to an age of impact or collision and catastrophism in the early history of the solar system. Both of the lines are thus interpreted as choice B and choice C, and correct answers for the question. On the other hand, choice A denotes the origination of terrestrial planets in comparison with the sublunar impact, and it is irrelevant with respect to the message given by the particular passage and its theme. So the correct answers are choice B and choice C.